Welcome! The Eldorado Selpas have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Go to Administration on the navigation bar and select Manage Users. Search for the user account you wish to deactivate. Once the user profile is located, click on the pencil. Remove all permissions from the account. Click the box next to Permission twice to remove all. Click on the trash can. Click the OK button to complete the deletion of the account.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado Selpas, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.